blay phi baro shakathuk Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sini Shillong. Da ke jengkemen jurup yaudu menteri rangba aparen ulapba bat kular ban penha bun blur tingka. Kelawat lam Ariang serti ke MGNREGS hasnong lat nong kse. Yo kejat menteri rangba hatang mang kular ban sedang ya ke handicraft training center. Bat hau nailar arjar apusan en sedang ni ke Shillong Engineering College kular menteri rangba. Bat mintanin pagi di Khubor bakang punya. Menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma ulepin pawi ke jengkemen ba uyok banjurip ya ke yodo ha ke sengi bejur ulapba naduk basdang haduk bandadap jurip. Hakini ke jengjurip ladon lang naduk sembut menteri rangba ba Preston Tensong kumju menteri ketanak tourism ba polling do nalor ke ofisar jong ketanak bapher. Haba keren bakilat patai Khubor, menteri rangba uloong ba kejingther uslap hakini ke sengi kalapin imar khamat iki jaka badon kam ban shnabha kum kinala bat kumju ru iki basa ke badon kam ban tap tenum ban lat na uslap. Hakini ke sengi menteri rangba bat usembut menteri rangba kile thu ru balamang sakhat san kelur na kabenta ban penbit penbiang bat ban penbha syu ya ke yaudo. Watlat herjur ulapba kini kinongilam ke sorkar kile pelut lai kenta banyai saudong jong kini ke yau bhedo bat bapau nam ha ke Jylla.
Redo the entire footpath and we'll make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done. And therefore, we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Yodo. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, their livelihoods depend on Yodo market area directly and indirectly. And therefore, it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started. And I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them. And thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face. And it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy. And it's a very good visit. And we want to assure the people of Yodo, especially the shopkeepers and the HEMA and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Yodo market.
So what were some suggestions given by the farmers or the people who are working there?
For example, in one of the farmers market area, they have requested that they have been functioning without light for all this time. And they just wanted some lights, electricity connection to be done. So for that, we don't need special sanction or anything. So we can do those immediately. In 1 or 2 areas, they suggested that the space is too small. So they wanted an extra floor to be made.
Your understanding of the audience, especially these Khasi Jylla people. Menta kasngi ka ba sultanat kolong ba hapok yalam jong chief minister ngilala ya kaban wan hakani ka jaka hakani ka yodu ka yo ka ba paunam tam jong ka Jylla jongi jong ka ri jong ka janri jongi barok koi ka ba deiru ka yo niam ka yo kom ba ka ba deiru ka yo ka ba bat ya ka riku ka dustur ha ka ba barok di pagba jong ka janri jong ka Jylla jongi ya don benta hakani ka yo but daki post name ngan ya thu ipi kam don kanu kabang la ban pen ikenat ban penbit ban penbiang ka jingko ke ba jong kan ka yo den rei hapok je lam jong usien ba Konrad Sangma minta lasni hakaba ngarung ya buat lang bati kumju ru iba polem do ibadai minister jong tourism department bila buat rengkat lem bani rengkat ru bat ipain ka tim jong ipain ke menteri barok jong hima melim bat hakaju apot
Kajingtre bela shispasngi belatip kum Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme MGNREGS Kabalawan rak bun ba kijing kela, kijing po jing ping, bat jing itanat kishnong gitaw, gitahan nong kendong, bat kapsor, kalapli kilat kilinti belasngi ki beduk barangli hakaling ke distrik jong ke Meghalaya. Ke MGNREGS kalaklongi kijing 8, kijing sengongu, bat jing sengotra, jing gipai ba, haman kishnong kat cebai kilat pathai Khubor kilit lum jing tip. Penban ke MGNREGS kala-kala long kawat lam arliang serti na kabenta kipat kisnong lat nong kse kabadon hasoyong sin adi ha kabagusnong kalakat arliang wak hapedeng gibakwa bela sispasngi bat gitu gibapersya bat khang ban pentrei kini kambela ban penbha bat pen itanat kini kisnong amtang kata ko office soyong sin adi badon buram kam ipatiau ban pensyai bat batha kipat ba kibe imja na kini kambela sispasngi. Kini kidur ki kin batai hi akas dang kawai jong jing sange ne dang ya kijing trei bela shispas ngi hakani kishnong.
Nai haka bakide ki paiba no susdong jong sunang sei dalade ila pensya ba ila penskap bahwa kedon sia kajing persenge ya kajing trejok ba ko sang sei. Bat kine ki paiba no susdong jong sunang sei badai kinong trejok ba ila pensenge ya kajing Namar bah habakang bapasenge ya kajing trejok ba kalau sia kajing dunong ko tata. Marbalai markambusim sinong kendong irap iriang war like pot di trejokka den rela tinyo ban trejokka kuman ba kinom yo berla te kata ya ka kamai ke jing chongki kata du ayo pat sawai pat kabenta ka bangi suban ban hune donru ki briu ki ba duna ka dapat mer ki ba ngitip kinong wei ki pidudi dan ki person with disability kineru ki briu ki yo jing mentoi na kane ke jokka hoi kim le trei kim lak balik trei dan ki bau kim lak ban trei don ki balak trei mala Handai leng ba kajing don jong ni kajok ka erap yaki berkersian yang long renjeng joki. Berkersian yang long long sam joki. Nei kajing khang ban pentrei kajing persenge ban pentrei ya kajok ka tak du ta. Tek ai ka ban pan kusneu ne long ba. Hoi don tu ki long ba ka lami smat. Iba ong ba kajing trei jok ka kaya be smat. Na le jingi perluan pensyah ne ba aduk mentahi na kalian kajok ka kam Samla ya smat. Marbalai Marba kadon kene kajing wat kasiki ki jong kini ki jang ba ki bawa ini sakmak. Ha ka ba kat patrik na banai ba wei area pusau ila ko ci video ko ngamne. Subjek kajing terpat ban persenge iswa ya kajing ji dalam Jerman BBC bat kajing bat ban pentrei bat ban persenge ya kajing pentrei jokka ko song sai. Kalau kata kadon lu kajing persenge pentrei ya ka jokka ko song sai. Haus nam arhajar arpusau Raja Pusau, rajing sisa nak lihat office jom video, gila, betah, ban pentrei, yang awal dijing trei ke pengitip ke digital library. Ya kan dia ke digital library, lamut ban pentrei, dah ke BC, kemudian lamut ban pentrei, dah kinong trei job pak, kok senang ayuk saya. Karena kini kibriu kilat ban pentut, office jom video, dah ke balik ban bu kijing tok babun chat bukom, bapersim kerteng nang ne nang tai bom dei buat kinong senang jom senang ayuk saya. Bandon bantah ko nang ise kisim ni tay kateng ban pan komple aduk bo poin kuat ba nakalian ka office to video rengkat da kajing ikran lang bat ni kinong song senong bat kinong git kam senong bat BBC ru kumju lahak ban simno nakalian nak office to video ban pentrai apa ka simno nakalian video ban pentrai miso tenat hawa tang ba ko pat lamba ipai ba iba im nak balajop ka laduk na mentrai sawai pat dangsian Hakaba nakalian ke office jong video lah alot ya ko kajing trei job ka hapok senang angse kepada ke surok menteri yang surok na pilih siapa mau saka andai idong trei job ka kilai de penbet kilai de minum yalang ya penaruh yang si menteri andai haswa bakin le trei ne ki brio kilai de khang da ko office jong deputy commissioner de lo tak benta kawara ai ke bom so tenat penduk no yang hok jong ki barbalai kembang ikran mensua abang ikang di trei job ka Kata kecil untuk yang hak joki marbalai kata baik yang kecil joki yang lap kamai joki.
Hakasin beningkong Menteri Rangba Konrad Kisangma ulahir shipin ursla batur syaduk shnong tangmang kashnong balatang batmang kerpang banlat na kasaw kasian bat nagijing kerwit jeng Khubor mariang. Kini kashnong kadon hajrong lom bat syakiluho jongka la banyu ikindiang ye kipentha gari Bangladesh. Da kajing kemen kipat bak kini kashnong kila pediang buram ya kajing wan jungo bat jingwan yuk kejat jong Menteri Rangba Konrad Kisangma hakasin beningkong hakini kashnong. Menteri Rangba ula ang lengo ban yu i kajing tebet bat jing penak kti jong kibriu kini kashnong hakikam tan Shillong sang pedung mula bat kejat pekejat kitiar da kishken bat kesit. Ulayak mat ikjing itanak jing gitiar 3 bagi beriu gini kesnong kipenmi. Menteri rangba ulat hiat kat badan gini gitiar bat ulat pencelur ki ofisar bandek kumju kena bikin ais ngobhar gini gitiar syiki parlok para jor jongki. Mardor ulat kular ban pli ke Bamboo Handicraft Training Center hatangmang kenang ban penek penim bat ban penjanai syusyu ikisap ki pong jung gini ginong tain thir betebet jong ka Jylla. Ulo ongru kini ki pro jabing bat kikti betebet ginlong ginohikai ha kini ki Handicraft Training Center. Haka jing yamir jingmut bat ki pai ba halor ki kampen roy kamtam ye ki scheme CM Connect Menteri rangba ulakular ban yarap bat ban pelibun kilat ki self help group bat ki seng terimon ngobha ki bakentiu ki kam ki jam kilat khai pateng bat ki kam than tiar da ki 3 uwe kena school ula ut ki kamra school bagi lakap nya palat marmar Menteri rangba ulakular ban thau thamai ka tangmang secondary school kena bagi kena school kinyo ek school ka bakalot.
Thank you so much. That makes this particular trip and this visit even more special to me. And I'm once again very grateful to all of you for having given me such a warm welcome. We have always believed that development has to be holistic development and overall development. So while we need large infrastructures, better roads, better connectivity, at the same time, we have to do work that touches the lives of individuals and makes a difference in people's lives. That is why there are many programs that we have started where we are helping our farmers, helping our women's self-help groups, helping our youth and the public in general to improve their overall livelihood and to be able to raise their overall livelihood. The program to support the weavers that we are seeing here today is exactly part of that vision that we have. And I'm happy to see that we are able to support our women self-help groups and different SHGs as well as VOs and cooperative societies who are working in this. Since this is the first time that I have come here, and since this is the first time that any Chief Minister has come here, it is only proper that we leave you with some gift.
Namar kane kadi kasin ka baningkong kaba isay wanyo kajat kane ka Shillong ba jo kadi kasin ka baningkong ba Chief Minister hi jo ka Jylla wanyo kajat kane ka Shillong kalong ka badon kam ba in e no hangnya po Shillong ya ijing ai sobha iba khindiat.
So let me promise you and give my commitment that I will be putting up the Handicraft Training Building Center out here, along with all the equipments that you require, and also facility for people to come and stay for the training that will be required. I am very happy to see how the community is involving itself and working together and working in a way that is going to help each and every section of society. As a government, we have always believed that government will do its part and government will bring different developments. But the government's work cannot succeed unless the community is involved in the work that we do.
Menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hakakat kendai terik Jymmang arjar arpusan ula jerip ke Shillong Engineering College ke badan hamaulai kenton masar ban pej benya ke jingtai ke ke college ke balayo ke jing menjur na ke All India Council for Technical Education ban sedang no ke undergraduate course ha ke Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering jong snem arjar arpusan arjar arpun riu Hagani kesngi lesson ran lang deke officer ke education department bat Shillong Polytechnic bat nagani ke college ki consultant ki nohikai jong gani ke college bat sngoutho bat tipshai ke jingdan kam gani ke college. Umintri rangba ulapen pau ke jingkemen ke bakrau ban sedang no shen ye ki kelas hau nailar mentau snem arjar arpusan.
So we are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15th, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.
Knockout football tournament belapelong de Umling Sports and Cultural Club Kalakutno ha kat kendai turik Jymmang ha jingil akai final ha pedeng ke Khuborkhasi FC Persha ek local taxi nongpo. Ke Khuborkhasi kalapenba me ke local taxi team dalai lakawai bat ra ek nam ladu. Ye kini ke final lapelong hamadan football ke Shillong ha Umling. Ke jingya kun kelalong ke beitanat haduk kata-kata. Ke team local taxi namar bakalamlin ban krawat steering di kikti kala-kalat ban penon kambhai ki kijat hamadan football. Nakani ke jingduna jong ke team local taxi, kinoy lekai ke Khuborkhasi ke lashim kabu bat kerthiaw haban da jemjai bat pelot laikol bat ra ekanam champion. Uba Amirul Bons MLA ulalong Kongsan bat uba pendap lang walang President NPYF ulawan kumusembut Kongsan. Da ke jingteri shitom jong President ba Kambor Sing Nongbet ke Umling Sports Club kalala ban pelong ye kini ke tournament ke bate song ye ki Samla bat ki pai ba kini ke than da ke jing ie bat ke jing teli. Uba Miril Bon ulayero ikinoilam jong kini ke club bat ula kentu ban yai pelong kum kini ke jing le kai hasnong athau kenang bi ki Samla kin light ne ke jing kring ke jing blin basniu. Baro our team ke layo ela ki jong ki busket ha kini ke sngi.
Kebenta ban ailat ikpun Samla jong kadong berkatahan ke jungi. Nganap sim shibun kapor ke jong pi namar ba ki players kila that kila kwa banyo ano egi khusnam bat banilit phai selagi jong ki ing kisem. Ngadon tang kawi ki jing kali ban kali ya ki tim ki bajong parem rukumju. Oi sa ka final hagani keski jing kali ya ki arli ki tim kolong haba phimi na kani ke jaka menta kasgi ba philik phai selagi jong gi ying gi sem gi jong phi ka e ka khubor phinra nang ni la shai la shisgi phinlong ki nong song snong ki ba kumno kum gi khun Samla ki bade gi players ki Samla rangba ki balong ki nong yalam ki nong penyat ya ki ki atli ki team ngidei ban shim ka jingkit klik na ka banta kalawai kaba pernai jongi kun Samla gi jongi namar kata kum ki Samla gi bai ka ei ka bangadan ban kentu ban ai mensim na ka mentai jong phi haba phimi na ka ne ke jaka ha ka ne ke sngi ra lem ye ki Khubor jong ka jing ya i ka jing teli ka jing long ka wei ka jing pendem iwe ya iwe bat ba phinra ye ka Khubor ka babaha lengba jong ka ne ka tournament ka bala penlong kabala penkut agar kom kaba internet kajing lek kai kaba internet ki Samla ki lapan i lagi jong ki sap ki phong ki jong phi bat ngingi scam ba phinra ya kani ke Khubor sa ki snong ki thau ki ba phi phin salet bat bagin long ki nong song snong ki ba tip riu tip lei namar kata kum ki nong yalam hapo jong ka klub ru kumju ngasngo ban ai ban sim na ka banta jong phi ba pila penlong ya kane ka tournament kidang don kiwi ki pentaru ki bakum ka club lane ka association kidon bentrai na ka benta ki imlang ka salang kum WMLA jong phi ngidon rengkat bat phi na ka benta ki jing temu ki babaha ki ba pindon nang ne sakmat ban peniat ya ki program ki ba pher nalor ka football ka ba phi peniat menta sa kiwi de ki awareness program kala bandai saphang ka jing kerni yau drugs kala bandai saphang ka shongkha khana kala bandai saphang ka jing kerni ya ki jing di penbuat ki babun rukom kala bandai hapedeng ka jing long ka jing im ka babaha ki imlang ka salang Rengkat bat phi kum ka klub bapin penlong program ki bapher ban kentu yigi kun samla apo ka shnong ka thau bakin long ki batibriu tiblei ban lait na gijing bilin ki basniu
Bat dakini ki khubor ngila poish ka bakot tar hadu bang nation biang kuble shibon.